right.
Yes. Maybe I had to walk around.
Right. Right. Thank you. Yeah. So magic is
Of course. That's it. Yeah. At least for part of the good side.
you are.
Turnout. What a place. Beautiful weather, beautiful people, beautiful cars, and we have the fantastic opportunity here this year to celebrate our 30th anniversary as a car manufacturer here at the Quail. Actually, in August the 12th, 1994, that's when I came up with the idea I will make a car company, and that's exactly 30 years ago. 2 years later, we had the first prototype running. 8 years later, in 2002, we delivered the first customer car. So it was an 8-year journey of going from idea to prototypes, through testing, homologation, crash testing, whatever we needed to do to be able to deliver a world-beating supercar or hypercar, whatever you called them back then in 2002. The first car model immediately broke a Guinness World Record for the most powerful production car in the world, with 655 horsepower. That's not a lot by today's standards. You will find that in family cars today, but back then it was a Guinness World Record. And behind us here we have several of our historic production models that you can enjoy, and the CCR, that's the orange car behind us here, was the continuation of the first production car, and they beat another world record in 2004. We had 806 horsepower, so we beat our own record for power, but then it also went on to beat the top speed record for production cars, beating the McLaren F1's unbeatable at the time top speed record, where we drove 388 kilometers per hour, which is like 241 miles per hour at the time. So that's kind of the starting point at Koenigsegg getting into the marketplace. And here we are today, 30 years later, with so many nice cars that comes out of our factory, and our latest and greatest production here behind us, the Gemera, the four-seater, the CC850, and we're so happy today to unveil to you the first customer Jesko for the US, which belongs to our dear friend Jeffer. So happy to be able to do this together with you today. So do you want to see it? Let's do the honors. Thank you. Congratulations. And here I would like to hand over the key. And if we close this box. So this is the first in line of many Jeskos coming stateside, and we're so excited to finally be here at this point where we can start shipping them to the US. And hope you will all enjoy them together with their owners, cruising around this wonderful continent. So thank you everyone for coming, and please enjoy. Thank you.